Hi, this is Tyler from GTGiDemgreen TV. This is a YouTube video about how to switch to a Mac. First thing first, the command key does the same operations as the control key does in Windows. So, command C for copy, command V for paste, command T for new tab, command Q for quit, and all sorts of things. That's a pretty straightforward thing. You never really use the control key on a Mac. There's certain applications that call for it, but not very many. Also, the delete key right here is the same as the backspace key that's normally right here on a Windows machine. So does the same thing. It's just a different name, really. That shouldn't be too hard. And also, let's get into other stuff like the buttons. So, these three buttons are a lot similar to the three buttons that are normally here on a Windows computer. You just have to get used to them being here. The first one, the red button with a X in the middle, is obviously close. The second one is minimize to the dock. The third one's maximize the size, minimize. I think if you press Shift or Control, Option, it doesn't maximize it always to the full screen. It's kind of naughty. I normally don't use it. And down here you can make it however size you want. The blue things, the scroll, you can see shared computers has PCs with an old monitor with a green screen, and Macs with a kind of Mac. You have your different things. This is Finder, which is basically the same thing as the documents in a Windows machine. You can put whichever types of things you want on here, like I can remove these. I can put a folder on, applications, all sorts of stuff. Next thing, the dock. The dock is how a lot of Mac users navigate around. I don't really use my desktop, as you can see. I just really use it for storing stuff. But my dock is where I launch all my applications like Word, iWork, iLife, and all that stuff. So that's just click on an item and it opens up. Open mail. And it will pop up, and underneath it you can see the open applications have a dot underneath, all of them, and that's how you tell if it's open. Finder will always be open. So that's that. To quit an application, not just close the window. If you want to close the window, it's the red dot, but to quit an application, go and click on the thing with the application name right there and just say quit, or I'll reopen that. You can right click on the icon and quit. Also, another thing is any settings are in system preferences should be in your dock, and if it's not, you can remove it, as you can see. You just want to click there, right there. Like anything from appearance to keyboard and mouse. By default, the Mighty Mouse and Magic Mouse go to not having right click, but they do have two buttons. You just need to enable it. It's called secondary click. That's how they say it. So that's a lot of it. Also, these icons, like the volume, the wireless, volume, all this stuff, that's going to be up here, like on Windows, it's down there. Your search bar, you can spotlight search anything, it'll instantly come up. Over here is the file edit view, all that stuff. On a Windows machine, it's inside the window, but on a Mac, it's always at the top bar with the Apple menu and these things. So on the Apple menu, you can go to About This Mac and all this stuff. Sleep, restart. So I'm going to go into System Preferences and show you Expose. Expose and Space. Spaces is a cool thing that lets you organize your work. I can have my work stuff over here, my internet browsers here, my whatever you want. You can change the amount. Have up to 16. I go with just 9. By default, I believe it's 4. And you can set different things like command, option, and that. Another note is the option key is the same as the alt key. It's just one of those things like control and command. Wrong one. So then Expose, I'll show you. See that? Yeah. If I had multiple windows open on here, then you would see that. I'll just show you. You can switch between windows. That's one of the things. Go to desktop. There's all sorts of things. You can have the different corners do different things. And then also the different F keys and mouse buttons do all sorts of different things. It's a very cool thing. There's all sorts of things. You can just see which one that's your current application is. That's kind of nice. Oh, there's mouse button. Oh, and this, you can see, this is like on Windows Vista and 7. They have these types of things, widgets, gadgets. Like here's a weather thing, here's a Mighty Mouse monitor, stocks. So they're just little single purpose applications that let you do different things. That's pretty much it. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and please rate, comment, and subscribe to GTGiDemgreen. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.